Hi everybody, so you may have already seen the little short film that Ant and I made for Christmas this year. And I wanted to do just a little quick behind the scenes for JayEmm Friends to tell you a little bit more about what went into the making of that film. Now, although in reality the finished product was only a few minutes long, as with every film, it took a few hours to do. And we are so lucky because we are the first people ever to be allowed to film here. And where is here? Well, this is Hankook UK's main warehouse. In this building are 350,000 tyres. Every single Hankook car, van or truck tyre has come through this building. It is a central hub of distribution for the entire dealer network. It comprises 3 large buildings, all interconnected, and it's absolutely incredible. Now, I actually came here a couple of months ago to have a meeting with Hankook and talk about any ideas that we had for doing stuff together. And as soon as I saw this place and the Raiders of the Lost Ark vibe that it gives, I just had this idea pop into my head of a little bit of fun that we could do. And, well, I'm very happy to say that the men and women here at Hankook were game, and they spent the morning wrapping up some presents for the beautiful old 1990s Mercedes W124 that our buddy Will from the Radiator Arms podcast has. And Ant and I have had some fun moving around here, getting different shots, playing even with a drone inside a building, which tells you just how big it is. We hope you enjoyed it. It's just a nice little thing that they let us do because, well, I wanted to be honest. And it was nice to do a little bit of old-fashioned filmmaking again. So, thanks to them, to Ant for coming out. Yeah, we hope you liked it. Next up, I'm going to try and persuade them to let me turn it into a go-kart track, but I think that could take a little bit more work with the health and safety executive.
What most people don't realise is that to get all of these different shots that all just happen in a few seconds, it takes a while because you're constantly shooting, reshooting, moving the camera. I'm basically a mobile cone here in my high-vis, making sure that no one walks into the camera. Apparently,
Wonderful cone you are.
Yes. This is the space that we're in. It's very cool, actually. And the props department here at Hankook have been absolutely fantastic, providing us with this lovely card, which you would have seen in the video. So we've been at this for about 15-20 minutes already. We haven't even left the foyer. And it's soundproofed.
Hello!
So obviously all of these smooth, seamless cuts between each of these different shots isn't quite as seamless as it would appear. We've got a bit of a wrapping paper emergency. The team have rushed off to try and quickly resolve it while they get the props ready. This place is massive, absolutely massive. Even James has got his hands dirty with the wrapping paper.
I'm a hands-on guy.
So James has managed to get his hands dirty again. He's getting the tyres. One of them's wrapped, one of them's going to be wrapped. A lot's gone into this video, you know. There is a team of people here helping, but they're a little bit more camera shy. I don't know about Jason. He's not camera shy. Jason's made all this happen today.
The reason that they make the lettering slightly indented into the tyre is that when the wind's going past, you don't hear any noise. It's all to do with the acoustics.
Really? I didn't know that. That is very cool.
Yeah.
But this one's raised.
Yeah, it's a band type, probably not a good example.
Right, so now we're doing this shot where James is going for the Oscar. That shot.
So you'll be able to see. So here you go. Here's your. So basically, in rough terms, da, 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 da.
Oh yes, and we've still got
One more to go, and I can change lens.
And again. James's step counter is going to be massive today. Dude, this place goes on forever.
Right?
Just
a third of it.
tyres and tyres and tyres. Oh, honestly, it's just so much of it. I'm getting a bit tired. Oh, like my jokes.
Merry Christmas. How was that?
That was funny. The thing is, you said, "Oh, I got this like great idea for a shot. I'm just going to pretend to get stuck in the revolving door," and it looked like you actually were stuck for a minute.
I was stuck for a minute. My original plan was just to sort of try and carry them out commando heroically, like all at once. Then I looked at the revolving doors and I just thought, there's some comedy potential unrealised in those doors. And I thought, after all the elegance of the beautiful drone shots and this is all going to be almost silent movie making, you know, I just want to end with a little bit of tribute to the golden age of slapstick and farce. So we need one more shot. That's car arriving, leaving, we're done.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Right, so that is a wrap. We are all done at Hankook. Thank you very much to the whole team there. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video and the main video, make sure you hit like and subscribe. And if you haven't seen the main video, well, you should probably go and watch it now. Bye-bye.